Hey guys, LStarGaming here. Welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be doing my room tour, which has been highly requested on my channel. So I'm going to be doing that today. So let's get started. So the first bit I'm going to start off with is my setup. So we have my backdrop here, which is a curtain with some like little Christmas starlights in the inside. We then have my gaming chair, as well as my new headphones, which I got recently. These are the Kraken Kitty headphones, the RAZER ones. They're pretty good as well. They're really cute as well. Let me show you if I move my mouse, hopefully, or not. There we go. So you can actually change the colors of these as much as you want. So that's pretty cool. We then have my gaming mouse, which is a V Pro. I can't remember the full name. I'm actually going to put like all of the specs in the description, so if you guys are curious about that, I'll put them in the description. So we then have my laptop, which is a ASUS Core i7 GTX 1050 Ti. As I said, I'll put the rest of it in the description in case you guys are curious. We then have my my little starlight, which lights up, but the battery's kind of dead at the moment, but you can see it kind of lights up, so it's pretty neat. We then have this really cute fan, which I actually got when I went to go visit my best friend Tia, so that's a pretty cool fan. It lights up and tells the time, so that's awesome too. We then have some random pens and stuff, and this really cool thing which I also got from when I went to go see Tia, and a calendar, as well as we also have all my Roblox toys up here, which is pretty cool. As well as also, I forgot to mention, I also have my my VidCon card, which I had when I went to the London VidCon last year, I believe it was. And I also have the other one's out signature on here as well, because he was one of the YouTubers that I met, and he's also pretty cool. Okay, so then moving around, we have my door with some like onesies and stuff on there. Then we have my VR headset. As you can see, there we go, we have my VR headset. This is an Oculus Quest 128 gig. Then have some more Roblox toys. My room is literally filled with these, by the way. We also got my my mug down there. You know, merch, link in the description. As well as some Roblox annuals as well. So then moving over, we have my main area, which is where all of my stuff goes. So we have like my clothes and my hair stuff and that sort of things in those drawers. We then have my Eiffel Tower, which is actually completely puzzled. So I actually built this a few years back. It does light up as well. As you can see, it lights up different colors. So that's pretty cool. I love things to do with Paris and things, so that's why I have that, as well as I have this up here, so that's pretty cool. We then have this, which is my jewelry box. It actually has my name on it and says happy 16th birthday. I got this for my 16th birthday last year, which has some stuff in it, as well as some more like jewelry things. My Alexa. Hello.
Oh dear.
Yeet. We then have this picture that I got from when I went to the Harry Potter studios in London, so that was pretty neat too. And yeah, we also have pictures of me and Tia when I went to go see her around my mirror. Okay, so then if we move up to here, we have my shelves. We also have some more Roblox toys all the way up here, because I have a lot of Roblox toys. And if you guys see as well, I have a lot of snow globes. I collect these when I go to different places around the world. So we've got quite a few here. So, yep, it's pretty cool. I collect snow globes all the time. We then have my window area with some pop figures and some more Roblox toys. And then my window, it's nothing new. So then if we move up, we have my bed. So a lot of you get confused with my bed. A lot of you say it's a cabin bed. No, a bunk bed. But it's actually a cabin bed, which is basically a bunk bed without no bottom bunk. So this is my bed. I've got my name over there, some teddies over there, then some pillows up there, and then we have my duvet and stuff, and a little space bed, which is pretty cool, and my sparkly light as well, which you guys can actually see, I believe. So yeah, sparkly light, sparkly walls as well, but I don't think you guys will be able to see that, but they are actually sparkly. And yeah, so that's my bed area. And then if we move down underneath my bed, we have my clothing area, my guitar, my keyboard, and my roller skates down there, as well as like some more extra stuff inside of the little box thingy. And yeah, we also have my lovely sparkly floor, so ignore my socks. But yeah, my lovely we have the sparkly pink floor, sparkly walls, and sparkly light. So yes, very, very awesome. So I think that is everything. Yeah, I think that's everything. I'm probably gonna forget something, but hey, that's okay, am I right? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. If I did miss anything out and you're curious about something, let me know in the comments. I'll try and reply. And anything to do with my computer specs and things, I will leave in the description for anyone that's curious about that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit that montage, so enjoy!
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
That concludes it, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!